Check it out on the Kaizu X new soft baiting rod. There we go, got another fish on. Double hook up. Oh, just put this soft bait down while I was bringing out this fish. We'll get another one. This is on the V2, guys, and I tell you what, this rod is awesome. So if you're in the market to buy one of these premium rods from Ocean Angler, and you can get that Kaizu for $100. That's half price. But there we go, another fish in the net. And we're still dealing with this one. A little bit of fish home this weekend because it's a long way to the beach for me, but that's a good eater. That's a good eater. That's on the fish finger, and this one's on the motor oil. Yeah, loving it.